Hey love muffins, I am back with another video. Today I have my Wow African wig on and I'm going to customize it today just so it can look a little bit more realistic. You see how harsh that part is on that unit. I can't deal with that. So we're going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys the power of plucking. Now as you can see, I already went in and I started, doing my thing or whatever. And I just want you to know, before you start, you need to take a deep breath and you need to trust in the process. And you also need a great pair of tweezers to do this tedious as process because it is the most annoyingest thing. But once again, you just have to trust yourself and know that you know what you're looking for when you do rock a wig, or if you're looking for to get inspiration from a hairline, go look at your favorite person that has a frontal on or whatever the case may be, and kind of try to mimic that, or even mimic your own hairline. Depends on if you are in love with your hairline or not. So anyway, you just need to make sure you understand that you don't want to continue to pluck in the same spot, because that's how you get patches, and you don't want that. You want to move around and you want to make sure you comb out the hair so you can see all of that extraness come out of that area, so you don't feel like you're over plucking. So just make sure you are careful, because this is lace and you can snug and pull and put a hole into your lace, and that is a no, because as soon as that happens, you're going to be so over it and you're probably going to be ready to throw the wig across the room. Trust me, it happened to me so many times when I was learning how to basically get a frontal to look, realistic. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm using hairspray to lay my lace down. And if you guys are new to my channel, you're probably like, what the hell are you doing? But you know that method, the got to be glued method? Well, same thing. Well, not the got to be glued, but the got to be glued hairspray. You know how people use their hairspray to lay their lace down? Well, I'm just using my Salon Graphics 10 Max holding spray to do the same thing. I love doing this, and I don't like using the got to be glued products, but this works for me. So you can find it at Walmart if you are interested in doing the same method. But yeah, so as you can see, I was feeling the loose wave, but I wasn't really feeling the loose wave during this day. So I decided that I wanted to straighten it, and I felt like you guys would appreciate it, because you'll be able to see how well this hair straightens, and it straightens so beautifully. This hair is so soft. I have no cons with it at all. I currently have it on right now, and it's just amazing. I'm so here for this unit. I feel like the length is so perfect. It's a really low maintenance wig. You can just put water back onto the hair just to revert it back to its loose wave. And before I straightened it, I added a little bit of water onto the hair just to see if the loose wave will be a little bit more defined, and it was so pretty. So just know that this hair straightens really well. It reverts back to its loose wave texture when you put water on it, and it holds a really nice curl as well. So yeah, you can't go wrong with this unit. It has 4 combs. It has the little jaw straps in the back so you can make it fit really snug, and it has a good amount of lace parting, so you can do different kind of styles with it or whatever you want to do. I like doing little updos with this unit as well. It looks really good, and I feel like the combs are placed in the perfect spots, and you're not getting stabbed in the head by any combs that's in awkward places. So I'm really here for it. As you can see, I'm curling away from my face towards the top of my hair, and this is just so I can get that volume that I need at the top of my head. And yeah, so I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the music, because I feel like everything else is I will be talking to you guys towards the end, so I'll see you baby soon. Alright babe, so this is the final slay. I just want you guys to know how much I'm in love with this. Like, this is like the perfect length for me. I love it. Like, cause I be getting bored when it comes to long hair, and like, look at this. Just look at this. You can do a pop and bang. You can have your bang like doing all kinds of craziness, or you can do like little cute updos like this. Like, you just can't go wrong with this hair length, and it's so cute, and it's definitely perfect for the summertime. Because why? Nobody wants to have 26 inches down their back every day in the summertime. So this is a wig. You can take it on and off. How I remove my units is just by using water. Spray it around the perimeter, and it just lifts up, because this is a hairspray method. Depending on how much hairspray you put on your unit, this can last up to 2 days. I just used my Mega Hold Salon Graphics hairspray today. This is the 10 Max Hold. You can get this from Walmart, but usually I put these two together. This is the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Mega Hold Spritz, and I put them on my lace as well as my skin, like around the perimeter of my forehead. And today I kind of shied away from doing that so much because I did have a full face on, and I just didn't feel like I didn't want my makeup to be melting off and having hairspray roll down my face. So I just used this one today, but I usually use both of these, and this method lasts for at least like 2 days. It's a hairspray method, so anyway, if it does lift up, just add a little bit more hairspray and use your blow dryer to lay it down properly. But yeah, this hair is so bomb, like really, really bomb. You can put it up in a ponytail if you want to. And as you can see, it straightens really well. All of their information will be listed in the description box below if you are interested to get this wig from Wow African Hair. Thank you so much for watching, baby loves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.